Today, tomorrow, every day, Eigo day.
Hello, it's Nick. Welcome back to Book and Snack. We read a book and enjoy snacks together. ようこそ、英語での Book and Snack です。おやつをおいしく食べながら本を聞きましょう。英語の本だよ。Today's book is The Purple Little Bird by Greg Foley. The Purple Little Bird. Purple Little Bird loved everything purple. He lived in a purple little house with a purple little fence and a very purple garden. Purple Little Bird worked hard to make his house perfect. See all the cleaning and cooking and fixing he's doing. But no matter what he did, something was not quite right. So one day he packed a bag and went looking for a truly perfect place. Goodbye, Purple House. Purple Little Bird walked all the way to Brown Bear's cave. I'm looking for the perfect place, he said. My cave is warm and cozy, said Brown Bear. It is warm and cozy, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too dark. So Purple Little Bird climbed a steep cliff to see Gray Goat. I'm looking for the perfect place, he said. It's bright and sunny here, said Gray Goat. It is bright and sunny, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too windy. Ah! Purple Little Bird continued on until he met Yellow Camel. Maybe this is the perfect place. My desert is nice and quiet, said Yellow Camel. It is nice and quiet, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too dusty. Then Purple Little Bird found Blue Frog in his pond. I hope this is the perfect place, he said. My pond is very cool and refreshing, said Blue Frog. It is cool and refreshing, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too damp. Too damp. So Purple Little Bird kept going until he saw a beautiful tree. 3 pink possums hung there in a row. He told the pink possums all the places he'd been. We know a place, they said, that isn't too dark, windy, dusty, or damp. So Purple Little Bird followed the possums. To his surprise, they stopped at a purple little house with a purple little fence and a very purple garden. It's much too purple, but now I know what to do. So they made it perfect. Look at all the colors. And all the world. Everyone has a perfect home. The end. Okay, so today's challenge question. What color is the bird's house? What color is the bird's house? 3, 2, 1. Purple! See, he's the purple little bird with a purple house. Very good. I hope you like this one. It's one of my favorites. Well, what time is it? It's snack time! おやつ時間だよ! Yay! What do we have today? I see a spoon. What do I have? Pudding! Are you ready to enjoy pudding? Do you have pudding today? What snack do you have? Yummy. All right. Well, it's time to go. My snack time is almost over too. So, I hope I see you again. I hope it's tomorrow. Goodbye.
本って本当にいいですね。今日の本はどうでしたか？みんなのやつは何でしたか？コメントで教えてください。登録といいねのボタンをお願いします。コメントも Please Okay, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, 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 and one more special. Goodbye.